Kia has revealed official details of the new Cadenza interior along with the pictures, and the sedan acts as a replacement to the K7, or Cadenza in the US. The South Korean auto major highlights that the cabin has been designed to deliver new standards in automotive quality, giving a lounge-like feel, and every element has been incorporated with high-end luxury in mind with detailed wooden materials. The 2021 Kia K8 is the first model across the globe to carry the brand's simplified new logo, and it can be seen embossed on the new steering wheel. The interior carries a dark dual-tone theme with a panoramic curved display linking a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with connectivity options. The clean display looks modern, elevating the minimalistic approach. The bottom portion of the swooping curved display has the infotainment system and AC control operated via touchpad, which allows for the switching of operation modes between two systems with a centrally located button. The center console features wood-based cupholders and glossy soft touch switches sitting on a raised profile alongside the shift-by-wire transmission dial. The K8 is also the first Kia to feature a 14-speaker Meridian audio system. The use of dark wooden surfaces is complemented by exposed high-quality metals, and the intricate diamond lattice design on the outside is carried into the interior. The luxury sports sedan also boasts of Nappa leather seat upholstery with a quilted finish on the side door panels and body-hugging seats. Kia calls its ambient lighting on the door trims and dash as Star Cloud due to its glittering nature. The brand has not revealed the performance details of the new K8 yet, and it will go on sale in its home market of Korea in the coming months before expanding its reach to international markets. The exterior has a striking appeal with a frameless tiger nose grille, a diamond lattice design, a sporty front bumper, standalone turn indicators, dynamic body lines, a large greenhouse, horizontal LED tail lamps wrapping around, etc. as the styling inspiration has been taken from yachts sailing across calm waters. Kia Corporation has announced that the all-new K8 went on sale in the Korean market today. Following its debut market launch in Korea, the K8 will also be made available in selected global markets later this year. The Kia K8 combines cutting-edge innovation, dynamic performance and contemporary design to establish new benchmarks for premium quality in the sedan class. Further demonstrating the recent rejuvenation of the brand, the K8 is a car of many firsts for Kia. It represents a new model name, replacing the hugely successful K7, known as Cadenza in some markets, and proudly wears the new contemporary Number 5. Design that has depth. Bold new design embodies the premium qualities of the K8. The K8 has been designed with the future in mind and under the new, opposites united, form language. At the front sits a new signature frameless tiger nose grille that gives the K8 presence and authority. The frameless grille, which is integrated within the front bumper to give a clean yet expansive look, features an intricate diamond lattice designed to express the movement of light. The front lamps include a turn signal that resembles a row of shining diamonds, symbolically pointing the way forward, and sitting proudly at the very front of the K8, just above the reimagined tiger nose grille, is Kia's contemporary new logo that expresses symmetry, rhythm, and rising elements, embodying Kia's confidence and renewed commitment to customers. The elongated K8, 5,015 mm in length, features a sporty side profile with a dynamic character line that runs the length of the sedan and takes inspiration from high-end luxury yachts sailing across calm waters. Carrying across the diamond lattice design from the face of the K8, a diamond chrome finish runs along the DLO, daylight opening, line and the bottom of the doors and finishes its journey at the rear lamp, adding confidence and gracefulness to the side of the sedan. Completing the progressive yet elegant front and side profile is a dynamic and muscular rear end that reinterprets the sedan of today as a fastback, luxury passenger car. Strong, dropping shoulders add to the drama of the K8 at the rear, while a clean tailored spoiler beautifully finishes the sporty, low roofline. Running exquisitely below the spoiler lip is a futuristic-looking horizontal taillight that carries across the jewel-patterned arrangements from the front and side and connects the K8's next-generation LED rear light clusters. Number 4. Progressive and modern space and automotive lounge that fuses nature with technology and luxury with comfort. Every element of the K8 interior has been designed with high-end luxury in mind, serving to elevate the senses of the driver and passengers. A sleek, contemporary and minimalist style that is informed by the "opposites united" ethos creates a wide cabin effect that is light in both touch and look. A contemporary panoramic curved display links a 12-inch digital cluster and a 12-inch infotainment system, bringing together the K8's advanced connectivity and infotainment technology. This curved display, a first for Kia, is clean, ultra-modern and easy to use, giving the K8 an effective, minimalist meets simplicity, tech style. The 3-zone climate control system features an inbuilt active air cleaning subsystem that monitors in real time the air quality inside the K8. If the air is deemed to be of poor or very poor quality, an automatic air cleaning operation is activated via a high-performance combi filter, ensuring that the driver and passengers are not exposed to dust and other microscopic particles. Optimally positioned for the driver and front passenger is an ergonomic center console that features wood-based cupholders and glossy soft touch switches, the latter sitting on a raised profile alongside the shift-by-wire transmission dial. While state-of-the-art tech connects the car to the modern world, beautifully detailed wood materials help create a feeling of calm and natural well-being within the K8. Diverse in character and content, the materials used on the inside of the K8 have been carefully selected to create a complete high-class and high-tech cocoon. Beautifully intricate and detailed finishing on the wood surfaces, stylistic elements directly inspired by modern yachts, add depth and sophistication to the cabin. The luxurious use of wood is complemented by exposed high-quality metals that create the feeling of youth and industrial chic, successfully marrying traditional with contemporary. The intricate diamond lattice design that expresses the movement of light on the exterior of the K8 flows into the interior of the luxury sedan, creating elegantly stitched patterns on Nappa leather. Kia's innovative Star Cloud lighting graces the K8 interior, projecting glittering and interactive ambient lighting, of which there are 64 different custom options, on the door trim and dashboard areas. The K8 features an ergonomically advanced driver's seat that uses no fewer than 7 air pockets, including in the backrest, sides and hip areas, to achieve the perfect seating position and feeling when driving. Named the Ergo Motion Seat, the leading-edge driver's seat has a comfort stretching mode that individually controls the air pocket. Number 3. Opposites united. A design vision that evokes positive forces and natural energy. K8 design has been influenced by Kia's bold new form language, Opposites United, which takes inspiration from the contrasts found in nature and humanity. At the core of the philosophy is a new visual identity that evokes positive forces and natural energy, with contrasting combinations of sharp stylistic elements and sculptural shapes. Development of the new design philosophy has been led by the Kia Design Center in Namyang, Korea, drawing on the respective talents and strengths of Kia's European and North American design centers in Frankfurt, Germany and Irvine, California in the US. It is based on 5 key design pillars: bold for nature, joy for reason, power to progress, technology for life, and tension for serenity. Bold for nature is based on interactions with nature, informed by the details, shapes, and proportions found both in the natural and human worlds. This design pillar creates organic yet technical structures and finishes for vehicle interiors. Exterior designs are characterized by a combination of clear and simple lines with bold, ever-changing surfaces. Joy for reason focuses on the feel and ambience of Kia's future vehicles. Design will fuse the emotional with the rational, creating vehicles that influence the mood of passengers by both relaxing and inspiring stylistic elements. It will also influence the adoption of new organic materials and more daring colors, expressing a sense of youth and playfulness. Power to progress builds on the brand's current design strengths. By drawing on and developing the skills and expertise learned throughout Kia's recent era of design-led transformation, the designs and layouts of the brand's future products will continue to evolve. Future designs will draw on experience and creativity to invent and innovate new designs. Technology for Life embraces new technologies and innovations to foster positive interactions between humans and machines. The brand's future vehicles will adopt a next generation in-car user experience, UX, through design, innovation and advancements in lighting, feel and in-car connectivity, to help customers engage with their cars. Tension for Serenity evokes the tension between opposing forces and creative contrasts, and recognizes the design equilibrium that comes from two opposing forces. It delivers striking design concepts that use sharp, highly technical details to create surface tension, and realize a harmonized, future-oriented design vision. Number 2. Engineering at the core. Cadenza's sleek style is matched with engineering substance and refined powertrains based on the company's mid-large architecture. Every aspect of the K8 has been designed and developed to realize the highest possible quality levels. Compared to many of its competitors, the K8 offers class-leading interior space, superb versatility and intelligent practicality thanks to its extended length, 5,015 mm, optimal height, 1,455 mm, and width, 1,875 mm, and a generous wheelbase, 2,895 mm. Clever vehicle packaging has also resulted in the K8 setting a new benchmark in its class for visibility, as well as offering superior headroom, legroom and shoulder room compared with many of its current competitors. Weighing just 1,640 kilograms, the 3.5 GDI model, the K8 is also one of the lightest sedans on the market. The four powertrains available from launch have all been developed to offer refined, smooth power delivery while improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. A state-of-the-art 3.5-liter SmartStream powertrain is offered in two power and fuel guises. A GDI, gasoline direct injection, derivative with 300 PS and 36.6 kg force. 359 Nm, torque, and a LPI, liquid propane injection, stablemate with 240 PS with 32.0 kg force. 314 Nm, torque. Both SmartStream powertrains offer enhanced fuel efficiency through combustion optimization, breakthrough cooling technologies and key friction reduction measures, such as an integrated thermal management system and the use of a roller rocker, swing arm. Further enhancing the GDI SmartStream engine is a dual-injection GDI and MPI, multi-point injection, system and a cooled exhaust gas recirculation system. Number 1. Safety First. K8 combines leading advanced driver assistance system technologies. The K8 has been developed to offer a leading combination of passive and active safety, thanks to the addition of breakthrough technologies and critical next-generation systems. Kia's renowned Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, reduces hazards, fully protecting occupants and other road users on every journey. As part of its ADAS package, the K8 features Kia's highly acclaimed Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, FCA, which helps avoid collisions with objects in front of the vehicle while driving. If the preceding vehicle suddenly slows down, or if a forward collision risk is detected, such as a stopped vehicle, a pedestrian, or a cyclist in front of the K8, FCA provides